Let's get straight into it. The best manifestation technique is not about crystals, rituals, or repeating affirmations 1,000 times. It's about aligning your mind so deeply with what you want that reality has no choice but to shift in your favor. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to break this down step by step so you can finally make manifestation work for you. Step 1. Absolute clarity. The first step is simple, but most people skip it. You must be absolutely clear about what you want. Think about it. If you don't know what you truly want, how can the universe or your own mind bring it to you? The biggest mistake people make is changing their desires every day. One day they want success, the next day they want peace, then they want something else. This is like trying to walk to a destination but switching directions every 2 steps. You'll never arrive. So pause right now and ask yourself, what do I really want? Not what other people expect, not what sounds safe. What do you want? With absolute clarity. Write it down. Feel it. Own it. That's step 1. Step 2. Remove the not possible trap. Here's the trap most people fall into. They decide what they want, then immediately cancel it out with negative thinking. I want financial freedom, but I only have $20 in my account. I want a soulmate, but I've been single for years. I want to start a business, but I don't have the skills. The moment you say not possible, you've sent mixed signals to your subconscious. One part of you says yes, the other part says no. That conflict blocks manifestation. Understand this. Deciding what is possible and not possible is not your job. That's nature's job. Your job is to be clear, consistent, and focused. Step 3. Faith without friction. Think about people with simple, childlike faith. They ask, they believe, and somehow things just happen for them. Why? Because their mind isn't filled with doubt. They don't sit there asking, what if it doesn't work? They simply trust. Now, I'm not saying you need blind belief in a temple or in a ritual, but you must cultivate faith in the process. Faith that if you align your energy with your vision, life will move in that direction. Doubt is like planting a seed and then digging it up every day to check if it's growing. You'll kill it before it sprouts. So when you decide what you want, hold it in your mind with confidence, not questioning. Step 4. Organize your mind. Here's where the real manifestation happens. Most people's minds are scattered, compulsive, chaotic, constantly jumping from one thought to another. Manifestation requires stability. Your thoughts must be consistent, clear, and repeated with focus. Imagine holding your desire in your mind like a laser beam instead of a flickering candle. That laser cuts through resistance. The more stable, intentional, and powerful your thought, the more reality bends to it. Try this daily. Sit quietly for 5 minutes. Visualize your desire in as much detail as possible. Don't think about how, just see it as real. Feel the emotions you would feel if it were already true. This is how you program your subconscious to work for you instead of against you. Step 5. Let life do the rest. Here's the final piece. Stop obsessing over the how. You don't need to figure out every detail. You don't need to force it. Your role is clarity, focus, and action in the direction of your vision. Life itself, what some call the universe, energy, or source, handles the mechanics. When your thoughts are aligned and free from doubt, opportunities appear, people show up, doors open. So here it is, the best manifestation technique in one line. Be clear about what you want. Focus on it with stability, remove doubts, and let life move things into place. Your happiness, your peace, your success, they all begin in the mind. Organize your thoughts, and you organize your destiny. If this resonated with you, drop a "I'm ready" in the comments and let the universe know you're serious.